I'm a content creator who said some semi-popular phrases, and I want to sell t-shirts with those phrases on them. Should they be trademarked first?
Well, you already come up with the name, the semi-popular phrase, so no, it doesn't need to, right? No, I mean, yes, you can file them before, during, or after you're using the trademarks.
Okay.
So, yeah, they certainly could. Now, like the tricky thing about apparel and trademarks and semi-popular phrases is there's a lot of ways the USPTO can say that that's not actually functioning as a trademark. It's not a source identifier. If it's just a catchphrase, right, it does not necessarily connect that consumer to your apparel product. It's not a trademark. So a couple ways that you need to look at that is, one, a trademark is used, in typical traditional trademark place for apparel, which is the upper left breast pocket area, or on the tag itself. Those are the two places the USPTO says that's a trademark. So it can't be in big font letters in the front, right? It's got to be in a specific location on the apparel. And then the second thing is it can't be a common phrase, a phrase that's used in common vernacular. And it can't be descriptive, right? And again, it has to function as a trademark. It can't just be an ornamental design. It has to have trademark significance, source identifier significance.
Speaking of semi-popular phrases, Bold Pants has got one. Go big, go bold, for example. I've used that a lot over the years. What do you think? If I were to put that on,
did he register that? We must have registered that, right?
We did.
We got the huge portfolio. Yeah, that's registrable as a trademark.
Okay, perfect. But on a, not related to an apparel. We're not a manufacturer of t-shirts, apparel.
No, I don't see us going into the apparel business.
No. Okay, but I certainly could blazon that, but doesn't give me any significant benefit.
Yeah, I mean, if you want to send me like a vest or something with bold IP on it, I'll throw that on for client calls.